Trading lessons from the Super Bowl, strategies for success in the market. The Super Bowl is widely regarded as the biggest sporting event in America. Even if you are not an American or don't care about American football, there are still valuable lessons that traders can learn from this iconic event. In the next few minutes, we will explore 3 key lessons that traders can take away from the Super Bowl. Lesson 1: Prepare and plan. Football teams carefully plan and strategize for the big game, and as traders, we need to do the same. Thoroughly planning and preparing for our trades is crucial for success. Just like a football team studies their opponents and creates game plans, traders should analyze the market, study charts, and develop trading strategies. By doing so, we can increase our chances of making profitable trades. Lesson 2: Be adaptable. Football is a fast-paced and constantly changing game. A team must be able to think and move on the fly, adapting their strategies as the game progresses. Similarly, traders need to be adaptable in the face of changing market conditions. The ability to think quickly, make informed decisions, and adjust our positions accordingly is essential for success in trading. Being flexible and open to new opportunities can help us capitalize on market movements and maximize our profits. Lesson 3: Patience and discipline. Football players must stay patient and disciplined, avoiding penalties and mistakes that can cost them the game. Similarly, traders need to exercise patience and discipline in their approach. It is important to wait for the right trading opportunities and avoid impulsive decisions. By exercising patience, we can avoid costly mistakes and make more calculated trades. This is why many successful traders only trade during certain times of the day when market conditions are most favorable. In conclusion, the Super Bowl offers valuable lessons for traders. By preparing and planning, being adaptable, and practicing patience and discipline, traders can increase their chances of success in the market. Just like the Super Bowl, trading requires strategy, quick thinking, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. So, let's apply these lessons to our trading and see who comes out as the winner in the market.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.